Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel and another video. In this video we're going to be doing a reverse dip with a napkin, and these are the colors that we're going to be using: neon yellow, cerulean blue, deep red, and pearl from Extreme Sheen. So you all know I love those metallics. I also have kind of a different take on a base coat. This is a silver flow acrylic. So we're just going to get right into it. I'm going to start putting the base coat on right now. How are you guys doing today? I hope everybody's doing well. Hope everybody's living their best life. I'm over here trying as best I can. Completely ready for this whole thing to just blow over so I can actually get back to some semblance of normalcy. So, you know, that's what I'm doing. So what are you guys doing? Go ahead and in the comments below, let me know what you guys are doing to keep busy in this trying time right now. So I'm just spreading this silver base coat out. I'm starting to get a little bit better with my measurements, as you see. Like, I probably barely have enough paint to actually cover this canvas, which is fine. Continue working this down towards the corner a little bit. Yep. And we'll just let it flow over the edges. Still waiting on my customs job to come through, but because of everything going on, everything is kind of ground to a screeching halt over here, which is expected, but still kind of disappointing at the same time. But it's okay. Focus on what you can change, right? So that's all that really matters, is focusing on what you actually have control of. So I'm going to make this base coat kind of thin. As you can see, I'm tilting it. I'm trying to get a good coverage, but I'm going to let a lot of this excess just flow over the sides, because I don't need a super thick base coat. Because from the videos I've seen, if you have a really thick base coat, then it just actually makes it more difficult. The colors tend to pool more towards the center, and it's just, I don't like that look. So I'm going to try to get this base coat a little bit thinner than I normally would, and we'll get to painting here in a moment. I do kind of want to apologize to you guys. I did upload that fitness video yesterday, and then after I talked to a couple other creators about it, kind of realized just for the YouTube algorithm and stuff, it probably wasn't the best idea to intermingle two different niches, so I pulled it down. But if you go to my community tab, if that was something you were interested in, I have a second channel that's been kind of mothballed for a long time. It is a fitness channel, has a bunch of stuff on nutrition and weight loss and meal plans, meal prepping, different ideas for that. It also has workouts. It has those home workouts that are there. So if that is something that you're interested in, just go over to the community tab and you'll be able to find it. So with that being said, I'm going to take my pipette, I'm going to draw on this, right? And then we're going to get to doing this dip. I will say I'm a little bit nervous about it because I've never done one of these before. So I have no idea what kind of results I'm going to get. so I got my little spray bottle. I'm trying to wet this napkin a little bit. I'm trying to not let it tear apart, but as soon as it gets damp, it's starting to tear apart. So, alright, so trying to lay it down evenly, avoid as much creases in it as possible. I hope this napkin actually holds up, because it seems like it's really thin and like it's just gonna fall apart under the pressure of picking it up. But here's to hoping, y'all. So picking up one corner. Yeah, see, it's already starting to tear. Uh-oh. No, we're gonna hope that it holds up. I think it will. Alright, now we slowly lift it. Wow, look at that. Now see, even with the base coat was super thin, the center is still a whole lot of heat there. So I'm gonna take my torch and pop any of the surface bubbles that I might have created. That ended up, now this ended up a lot better than I had seen in my head. I love how the little cells and everything popped up through there with all those different colors in it. That's actually really gorgeous. Now, one thing I do need to think about too is when I did lift the napkin, it left some bare patches of the canvas, so I'm not gonna touch them up now, but after this dries, I'm gonna definitely have to go through and touch up the edges. But let me bring you guys down for a close-up, because this is absolutely gorgeous. It's just stunning how all this little minute lacing and cell structure came out when I lifted that napkin. It came out beautiful. That pearl color too.